Have you ever wondered what comes next in your career as a software developer? Most engineers follow the usual path: junior developer, then mid-level, then senior. Some dive into a specific tech stack while others move into management. But there's another path, a highly respected and rewarding one: becoming a software architect. Today we'll break down exactly what a software architect does, the skills you need, and a step-by-step roadmap to become one. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also introduce you to a powerful enterprise architecture framework, TOGAF, that will give you a complete view of architecture at scale. Let's get started. Before we dive into how to become a software architect, let's define what a software architect actually does. A software architect is a senior level expert responsible for making high-level design decisions and setting the technical direction of projects. They decide which technologies to use, how components interact, the coding standards, and best practices. But software architecture isn't just about coding. It's also about understanding the bigger picture of IT systems, business goals, and enterprise strategy. That's why many architects learn enterprise architecture frameworks like TOGAF to gain a complete understanding of how systems interact at scale. If you love coding but want to influence projects at a strategic level, this is the role for you. To become a successful software architect, you need to develop 3 essential skills: deep and broad technical knowledge, decision-making under pressure, and advanced communication skills. First, a great architect isn't just a specialist, they are a T-shaped expert: deep knowledge in 1 or 2 areas and broad knowledge across multiple technologies. For example, you might specialize in back-end development but also understand front-end, cloud computing, and databases. Most junior developers start as I-shaped specialists, being experts in one thing. Others have dash-shaped knowledge with a shallow understanding across many areas. But to level up, you need the T-shaped deep expertise plus broad exposure. Second, architects make big decisions, ones that impact entire companies. A developer's mistake might take a day to fix, but an architect's mistake, it could cost months or even years. They must decide which framework is best for long-term scalability, how to handle security and performance trade-offs, how to future-proof software for upcoming tech trends. If you want to be an architect, you need to develop critical thinking and the ability to make tough calls under uncertainty. And third, advanced communication skills are a game changer. Architects don't just write code, they bridge the gap between developers, managers, and stakeholders. They need to explain complex technical ideas in simple terms to non-tech executives, lead and mentor teams so everyone follows the same standards, and negotiate and persuade stakeholders on the best technical direction. If you can't communicate effectively, your best technical ideas will never be implemented. Now that you know what makes a great software architect, let's talk about how to become one. Follow these 5 milestones to accelerate your journey. Milestone 1. Master multiple tech stacks. You can't design high-level solutions if you only know one language or one framework. Start with your primary specialization, whether it's back-end, front-end, DevOps, or mobile. Then expand your knowledge. If you're a back-end developer, learn front-end technologies like React or Vue. If you're in DevOps, learn cloud platforms like AWS or Kubernetes. If you're into AI, understand software security and distributed systems. The more versatile you are, the better decisions you can make as an architect. Milestone 2. learn enterprise architecture, specifically TOGAF. At this level, you need to go beyond software and understand enterprise level architecture. TOGAF, or the Open Group Architecture Framework, is one of the most respected frameworks in the industry. It helps software architects understand how business strategy and IT architecture align, how to design scalable, efficient enterprise solutions, and how to communicate architecture decisions with stakeholders. By learning TOGAF, you elevate yourself from just a software architect to an enterprise architect, which opens higher level career opportunities. Milestone 3. Get certified, but smartly. Certifications aren't mandatory, but they can validate your skills and help you stand out. Popular certifications include AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Google Professional Cloud Architect, and TOGAF. If you want to lead architecture at a company-wide level, TOGAF is a must-have. Milestone 4. Find a mentor. The fastest way to grow is to learn from someone who's already done it. Find a senior software architect in your company and ask smart questions. Join communities and forums like LinkedIn groups or GitHub discussions. Attend tech conferences and meetups to network. A mentor can cut your learning time in half by guiding you past common mistakes. Milestone 5. Build and review real architectures. Hands-on experience is key. Here's how to practice. Redesign an existing app, break it down, optimize it, and explain your choices. Join open source projects and analyze how architectures are built. Write case studies on different software architectures. Monolithic versus microservices. Serverless versus cloud native. Pro tip. Write technical blog posts on Medium or Dev to explaining why you made certain architectural choices. This will build your credibility. Becoming a software architect isn't an overnight journey. It takes years of experience, learning, and leadership. But once you get there, you'll be influencing major projects, earning higher salaries, and making a lasting impact. To recap, your roadmap is master multiple technologies, learn TOGAF for enterprise architecture, get certified strategically, find a mentor and build a network, and gain real-world experience designing software architectures. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more insights on software development and career growth. What's your biggest challenge in becoming a software architect? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help. See you in the next video.